truck.
Are you serious?
Come on.
That was the bad guy.
Get up.
No, it was the good guy. No, hey, because I remember he took it from the house when he landed in the pool. I'm pretty sure it's the bad guy though.
Hurry, I want to get back in the pool.
Okay. Out of left, roll up. Off the mat. Double D. Iron Hawk.